about who are the greatest of all time, there is no one greatest. It's stop playing that game. There's a lot of great people who came from hip-hop culture. Look at the longevity of LL Cool J. Look at the longevity of Nas. Look at the longevity of Jay-Z. Look at the longevity of Too Short. But when you talk about longevity, and the artist has redefined the art of reinvention, you gotta go to Northern California. You gotta take a trip to a city called Vallejo. You gotta talk about the man who redefined the vocabulary and every slang expression he came up with. Everybody that took a piece of a beat. Let's go! This is my blood cousin. So sound check, I want everybody to put your hand in the sky and scream out loud and make some noise for E40! Hey, look at these skills, let me bring it. You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Let me see you do it. Stand in front of me. Do you stand? You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Hey! Let me see you do it. Hey! Hey! Make some motherfuckers! Bitch, bitch, bitch!
Bitch, bitch, bitch!
Make me rich!
Make me rich!
Nigga, don't act like a
That's why I don't love her. Oh, that's why I do short people. And that's why I'm
That's why I love her.
Oh, that's why I keep short people. So homie is gonna marry it. And that's why I'm never be I'm never sentimental, but hard to homeless. Calling your callers, you might end up homeless. I bet you she hit me, her cheddar she hit me. I make you stand outside forever like the Statue of Liberty. Underground king of the South, I raise my style phone up and put some drink in my eye. Fuck about you or anything that you do. Give a fuck about you or anything that you do.
Sit down! Sit down!
bitch, sit down.
Sit
Give it up for E40.